Alright, now wait a minute, wait. The next obstacle right there.
With the vertical wall.
I thought that was my life right there. I didn't realize how bright the sun is. Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We got Aaron right here. We also got his Toyota
Yeah, you had it right.
Tacoma. And we're gonna see what this thing can do off-roading. Have you took it off-roading before?
Nope, that was the first time.
That was the first time?
That was the first time.
Yeah, we already did it. I just forgot to do the intro. So we're going ahead and cue the clips. What'd you say?
The cuted clips?
Cue the clips.
The cuted clips? You could have kept that in and just put like some riced out of clips.
Let's just go ahead and watch those videos, those clips. Oh, okay, that was not that bad. But at first it was like just rough. Oh, alright, now wait a minute, wait. Hold on. We wasn't supposed to. Alright. Alright now, if you get stuck out here, I ain't bringing my truck out here.
We just pop up in Jimmy's backyard. Imagine it going.
No, we ain't going all the way down there. Now we can go right here. That's fine, but we ain't going down there.
Does it go all the way around?
Looks like it. Here, let's get out real quick. Oh, there's the four-wheeler.
Yeah, same idea.
See, it's not that bad right here, but oh, that's all that is grass. I wonder what they're doing with that.
I bet my truck can do it.
Look, how about you just hold the camera? I'll climb down there. I don't think they realize.
It's not that far.
Put some good old country music in the background. A little bit more. All right. Yeah, that's pretty tucked.
It could get tucked more.
It can be tucked more.
Mm-hmm.
That's like it's a one finger.
The other tire's still on the ground. It still has some
Still
more
got.
to go.
You want to go ahead and change the oil? I mean, might as well now. You can see it. All right, Aaron. Now how?
What?
Hold on.
Oh God. What are you doing? Get in.
I'm trying to. The door's about to hit me.
I guess we'll go see what's up over there.
I was about to say, that's the next obstacle right there.
With the vertical wall. You see the Jeeps do that?
They're going down it. This is my first time off-roading. I don't know what to expect.
Well, this ain't really like off-roading. Because all of this is what they use. They already made it.
Look, it's my first time.
Though.
Yeah.
All right, you want to go that way or this way?
It's up to you. It's your truck.
I'm going to drive right up over to that thing.
What the? Wait a minute. Can you even make that?
Yeah.
Like, I'm talking about in between it, because that's pretty high.
Yeah, what's on the other side of it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Yeah, the skid plate, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the four-wheeler.
You look over the edge.
Yeah, this is it's pretty high up.
Does it just stop?
I think it just stops.
I think it does too.
I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty sketchy right there.
Huh.
Like, no, here, hold the camera out.
Oh.
Now just point down. I thought that was my life right there. That's pretty.
Yeah, this is all loose dirt, so you might want to be careful.
Yeah, that's about like a what, a 10-foot drop? maybe more.
No, it's definitely higher than 10 feet.
Yeah, you pretty close, but I mean, I guess you clear it.
Well, I mean, these are 33s with a leveling kit.
33s with a leveling kit.
Yeah.
What year is this? 16?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, this ain't bad.
Immediately cuts to donuts. It's not too bad for an old 16.
I mean, we got it. Do have an area for donuts.
So what, go up there now?
Yeah, sure, why not? I'm starting to trust your Toyota.
I also have crawl control and multi-terrain select. Who's rock? Mogul, what is that?
I don't know.
Rock and dirt.
You're the off-roading guy.
Rock. So what would you consider this? Loose rock, mud and sand?
Yeah, let's go with loose.
Loose?
Yeah.
Loose rock? What was that one? Loose rock.
I feel like this is pretty
Crawl
loose.
control?
You need crawl control on this?
No.
Oh, okay.
I've never used it. It's moving by itself.
Is it really?
Yeah, my foot is not on the gas.
Huh.
That's what crawl control is for.
Oh, this is weird. Oh, okay. Well, this is nice. I didn't know it could move by itself.
Yeah, that's what it does. And then how you take it off. That was full throttle.
Was it really?
Yeah. Toyota will not let you spin the wheels. At all. Like, I don't even know if they'll let me do a burnout. Yeah. See? Toyota was no. I told you, Toyota is like, no.
Yeah, this is way more than a 10 feet drop.
Just full send it.
What? This is like.
What about that?
What about what? Up there?
Yeah.
How you gonna get up here? You talking about right here? Or over here?
No, right there.
This?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
This right here? I don't think you can make that one. Just stay up there. I gotta get these shots. This is pretty cool. I don't know how in the world he's gonna do this, but I guess he's gonna try and do this. Well, would you want me to run back down? Yeah. Okay. See, if I can't even get up here, what makes you think your truck can do this?
That's a Toyota, baby.
Oh, you good? Keep going. All right. The bottom ball is hitting it. Oh, man. Aaron. Look at this drop. Yeah, I guess just go up and see what happens. All right. Yeah, that ain't happening.
Put it in sand.
Put it in sand. All right. Wow.
I bet if it wasn't so loose, I could do it.
Probably, but
Because the wheels are just spinning now.
yeah, they all caked up. Like all this is like sand. Oh my God.
Thinking about it, just speed.
You're not gonna make that. How would you get back down? Same way? Just
Actually, I didn't think about that. What's up there?
it looked like nothing.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, you bottom out. Yeah. So we in the truck, and he was up there at one point. All right, now I see the sky, the sun. Yep. I thought you rolled back.
I did.
Huh.
See how that looks, I guess.
Yeah. I can't see anything because the sun. You gonna get out, look at your masterpiece.
I guess we had a whole lot more approach angle than I thought.
Yeah. Ain't that bad.
Well, I guess that's just where it hit the skid plate.
What?
You see the dirt, or unless that was where I bottomed out right there.
I'm pretty sure that's from up there. Yeah, what's your tailgate doing back there?
It's clear.
It's cleared? Oh yeah, there's some loose dirt right here. This is where you can do some skits. You gonna try it? 4-wheel drive donuts right here. Yeah, after that, okay, all right. It wanted to go fast this time. Now, which way do we need to go? All right. I know anybody watching this video cannot just imagine how much of a rough ride this is. I hope you could tell by all of this stuff slinging around how rough it is.
That's only 20 miles an hour.
20 miles?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that you put in some work.
All I know is I definitely need to do something about this front suspension. Still no leaks.
Still no leak. I see a new dent.
Huh? We would rather be like in the woods doing it than just a big open field.
Well, there's some woods over there.
Well, that is true.
Yeah, grandma's off-road too. Dude, the amount of dirt that's just caked up in your wheels. Especially this one. This is the one that was spinning. Now, you will never see me with my F-150 out there. Now, if I get an older one, then I told Lindsay that I wanted to keep the FJ so we could do off-road and stuff.
You should put the FJ out there. Hey, babe, taking the FJ. All right. It's going to be...
like you see in the camera, it just up in the air.
This is where I was going to be. You're going to have the camera. All right, babe, I'm taking the FJ. It's going to cut to the house camera.
Pretty nice work truck, ain't it?
Actually, it is. I've actually done a lot of work with this truck.
Put in some work, didn't it?
Well, I've already hauled off that tree.
Just the amount of dust that's on it.
And all the shit. I think that was from the tree.
Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. This was my first time doing this. This was pretty fun. What in the world are you doing?
It's the tag light.
That's the tag light. The next video series is the Tacoma and the FJ off-road.
We need to find a better off-roading location.
Well, yeah, Sugar Creek. This was the real quick, let's see what happens. If something happens and we couldn't control it, like, I don't know, you got stuck or just roll over or something like that. Well, at least we're like, we was close by.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment down below what was your favorite part. If you got a Toyota, go ahead and comment down below what you got and tell me the weirdest adventure you had in the truck. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you in the next video.